Namaste dear students, welcome to maths class, chapter arithmetic progression. Okay, we will study today exercise 1.3. In that second problem we have 3 sub questions in that. Okay, so what is the problem? Find the sum of the following APs. We need to find the sum. That means finding the sum, the formula is Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. But here they have given in this problem. In the previous first question we applied that Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. But here you can see the first term is there, the last term is there, 84. So you can apply this formula, Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus l, last term is there. So but we don't know what is n. Okay, so how many terms are there in this AP we don't know. So we need to apply the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d and find what is n. Then apply that, insert that n here and you can find the sum. So first let us check whether this forms an AP. Okay, so here given AP is, what is given? 7 plus 10 and half plus 14 plus so on up to 84. So therefore what is D is equal to A2 minus A1, that is 10 and half minus 7. So that will be 10 to the 20, 21 by 2 minus 7. So 2 common. So 21 minus 14, 1 to the 2, so 14 here. So you will be having 7 by 2. Similarly, let us check for A3 minus A2. A3 minus A2, that is 14 minus again 10 and half, which is equal to 14 minus 21 by 2. That will be 2 common. So 1 to the 2, so 14 to the 28 minus 21 by 2. So you will be having 7 by 2 again. So both the cases we got the same value. Therefore D is equal to 7 by 2. So what we are having here, we have A is equal to 7, D is equal to 7 by 2, but we have to calculate n. N has to be found. Therefore the formula is An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. And our An is the length term, that is L, that is 84. So 84 take as nth term and A is the 7 plus n minus 1 into d is 7 by 2. So now subtract 84 minus 7 here. You have to subtract. Okay, 84 minus 7 is equal to n minus 1 into 7 by 2. So 14 minus 7 is 7, 7 remains here. So you have 77 is equal to n minus 1 into 7 by 2. So therefore 77 into 2 by 7 will be n minus 1. 7 1s are 7 11s are 11 2s are 22. So you will be having 22 is equal to n minus 1, which implies n is equal to 22 plus 1, that is equal to 23. So you got n is equal to 23. So that n is equal to 23 we have to put it here in the sum and find the sum here. So the sum is Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus l. Okay, so here 23 by 2, a is 7 plus 84. So what you have, 23 by 2, 7 4 7 11, so 91. So you have 91, 23 by 2 into 91. So you cannot simplify here. 91 is not a, okay, 91 is not an even number. So you are having the answer when you multiply that 91 into 23. So you are having the answer 2093 by 2. And when you simplify for a fraction, you are going to get the answer as this. That means the sum of the terms of the AP 7 plus 10 and half plus 14 up to 84 is this much. This is the sum. This is the total addition of all those terms. Okay, so similarly we can move to the next problem. We can go for the next problem. The question is, here this is very simple. The question is very simple here. 34 plus 30 So let us move to the second question, that is, let us find the solution here. Again we need to check whether this is an AP. So first term is 34 and the nth term, that is last term, is L, but we don't know N. So similarly we have to apply the formula AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Find N, and that N you have to apply in the formula Sn is equal to N by 2 A plus L. Okay, in that formula you need to apply and you need to find the answer. So let us solve now. First check whether this is an AP. So D is equal to A2 minus A1. So A2 is 32 minus 34. So you have minus 2 as the common difference. Similarly we will check for A3 minus A2. A3 is 30 minus 32. So you have minus 2 as the common difference. Okay, so this is an AP. This is an AP. So let us apply AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. We will apply this and we can find N. So what is AN? AN is the last term, that is 10. 10 is equal to A is 34 plus N minus 1 into D is minus 2. So this is what you have now. 10 minus 34 equal to N minus 1 into minus 2. So you have minus 24. Bring that minus 2 down here. You have N minus 1. So this will cancel. 12 so you have 12 is equal to N minus 1. Therefore N is equal to 12 plus 1, that is 13. We got N is equal to 13. Therefore now finding the sum, Sn is equal to N by 2 into A plus L. So you have N as 13. 13 by 2. Your A, that is the first term, is 34 plus last term was 10. So you have 13 by 2 into 44. So you have 2 ones are 2 twos are 22s are. So I left with 13 into 22. 13 twos are 26. 2 carry 13, 26, 27, 28. So you have 286 as the answer. So what you have here? Sn, N was 13. Yes, 13 is 286. So this is the answer for your second problem. Now let us solve the third problem. The given AP is minus 5 plus minus 8 plus minus 11 up to plus minus 230 they were given. Up to minus 230. This is same like a previous problem. Okay, we need to apply because the last term L is given. L or the nth term is 230. We need to apply to find the sum. Formula Sn is equal to N by 2 A plus L. But again here also we don't have how many terms. N is how many terms we don't know. So similar to the previous problem we need to find N. So first let us check whether this forms an AP. For that D is, first let us calculate D. So D is A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1. So our A2 is, so let us write here, our A2 is minus 8 of minus 5. Be careful regarding the sign, children. So minus 8 of minus 5. So minus 8 minus into minus plus 5. So you have minus 3. So D you got minus 3. Let us check it for now A3 minus A2. A3 minus A2. So A3 is minus 11 minus of minus 8, that is minus 11 plus 8, that is equal to minus 3. So you got both D same. So D is equal to minus 3. So what we have now? We have A is equal to minus 5 and AN is equal to minus 230 and D is equal to minus 3. So we can calculate N. So apply the formula AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So you are having with here minus 230 is equal to, so what you have here, minus 5 plus N minus 1 into minus 3. So minus 230 plus 5 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 3. So minus 230 you have the answer, minus 225 will be the answer after subtraction, because minus 230 plus 5 will be minus 225 is equal to n minus 1 divided by minus 3. So you can simply minus and get cancelled. 3 1s are 3 7s are 21, 3 5s are 15. So what you have, 75 is equal to n minus 1. Therefore n will be 75 plus 1, that is equal to 76. Now apply that here. You got your n is equal to 76. So S76 will be 76 by 2 into A is minus 5 plus of minus 230. So simplify that. So you have 2 1s are 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16. So you have 38 here, and you have minus 5 plus into minus minus, minus 230 you have. Okay, so that will be 38 into minus 235. So you multiply here, the answer will be, you can get the answer as minus 8930. When you multiply this, the sum of the terms S76 is 8930. Okay, this is the way to calculate the sum when the first term and the last term is given and a number of terms is not given, but you have to apply a equal to an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, and you have to simplify for n and apply that and solve here. Okay children, thank you.